Hello friends, hope that you all are safe at your home. This is the second video of Standard 9 English Medium, subject English. Our topic is tenses. Now let us come to our today's point. In the beginning I have told you that we are going to discuss about the second tense, and the name of the second tense is present continuous tense. Let us discuss about this tense, present continuous tense. So as per our pattern, firstly we are going to discuss about the uses of these tenses. I am repeating, firstly we are going to discuss about the uses of this tense. So let us see what are the uses of this tense. Now you can see that here it is continuous tense. So from this word only you can get some idea that whatever is continuing or whatever is going on, only at that time we can use continuous tense. This is a very small idea about this tense. Simply we can say that whenever we are talking about the ongoing action, or you can say that the continuous action of the present, at that time we can use this tense. Now let me read this. This tense is used to describe or to tell about the ongoing action of the present at the time of speaking. It means whenever we are speaking, the action must be going on. Again I am repeating, whenever we are speaking, at that time the action must be going on. At that time only we can use the present continuous tense. So here the first use, only one use is there, and the use is very simple, to tell about the ongoing action of present at the time of speaking. So here the speaker is speaking and at the same time the action is also going on. To make it easy, I also have another definition here. What is the definition? See, to tell about any upcoming action of the future. This is the another use. Sometimes you have heard something like this, that I am going to be a teacher. So this is not the continuing action, but what you are giving here, you are giving some of the description about the upcoming future. Okay, it means in future you are going to be a teacher. So the another use of this tense is to tell about any upcoming action of the future. Whenever you want to describe any upcoming action of the future, that is definitely going to be happen. Again I am speaking, which is definitely going to be happen, only at that time you can use present continuous tense. So there are two uses of this tense, to tell about the ongoing action of the present at the time of speaking, and the second one is to tell about any upcoming action of the future. So this is these are the uses of present continuous tense. Now let us move ahead. The structure. Students, please keep in mind that whenever you are learning the tenses, the structure is most important thing in order to make or in order to identify any of the sentence. So please, here I would like to request you that whenever you are learning the tenses, only the main thing that you have to give attention, that is on the structure. If you have the structures on your tongue, definitely tenses will become very easy for you. And after all, without tenses you cannot go ahead with any of the topic of English grammar. Why? Because in order to learn grammar, the basic thing is tenses. Let me come on the topic, the structure. Here you can see the subject. Now I hope that you know all the subjects: I, you, we, they, he, she and it. With subject you have to add am, is or are. If your subject is I, with I, am will go. If your subject is you, with it, are will go. If your subject is he, she or it, then after you have to use is. And I know that you all know that basic thing. So subject plus am, is, are plus verb with ing form should be there. Now verb with ing form, that means to play. Now here if we add the ing form, it will be changed by playing. In the same way, to eat, it will be changed by eating. Understood? Okay. Plus we have to use other words. Here also we have some other words, or you can say that some suggestive words. Let me repeat the structure again. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb with ing, and at last other words will be there. Now coming to suggestive words. Now here, which are those suggestive words? See: now, listen, see, watch, look, hear, etc. These are the suggestive words which you can find in the present continuous tense. In the example, we will see these kind of words. Now let us come to some sentences. Okay. Firstly I made the sentence using the subject I. Now it is not necessary that every time you can use I, you, he, she, it, they, etc., etc., but sometimes also you can use the names also. Understood? Okay, now let us see this example. I am teaching English now. I is subject, structure wise am, so am is here. Ing form of teach, that is teaching English now. Now is the suggestive word. Okay, so this is the example. I am teaching English now. It means the action of teaching English is right now going on. You can see that to tell about the ongoing action of the present at the time of speaking. So here you can see that I am teaching English now. So the action of teaching is right now going on, and that's why I have to use this tense here. I am teaching English now. Second, you are learning English. Same way also, by watching this video right now you are learning English. So definitely it is the action, ongoing action, and that's why we can say that this is of the present continuous tense. You are learning English. Third one, he is going to market. It means some person is going to the market right now. Here in these two sentences you cannot see the suggestive words, but definitely you can see am, is, are plus ing form. That's why it is of the present continuous tense. Same way, see, the birds are flying. Now here the suggestive words already been given. Okay, doesn't matter whether it is at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Okay, that is just for some information. So here, see, the birds are flying, that means in the sky the birds are flying, and you are suggesting any person to see the flying birds. Same way, we are visiting Baroda next week. Now this is some kind of different sentence. Now second use, as I have told you, that to tell about any upcoming action of the future. So here the same thing has been described. What is that? See, we are visiting Baroda next week. This is the action that will take place in the next week. But to describing this kind of actions also we can use this tense. So here the upcoming future action is there, and that's why we have used this sentence or this structure. We are visiting Baroda next week. This is not the ongoing action, but this is the upcoming future action. So here this is also correct. Next one, the women are washing the clothes. So the washing of clothes is going on by the woman. Okay, so this is some examples of present continuous tense. Now let us come to the another part of the sentence. Till now we have discussed only the simple sentences. Now let us go ahead with the interrogative sentence. Here you don't have to do anything. Simply am is are will be at the beginning of the sentence, then after subject, then after verb, and other words will be there. Let us try the first sentence. Am I teaching English now? Here you can see am is at the very beginning, then after the subject is there, then after verb is there, then after other words are there, and at last don't forget the question mark. Same way, second one, are you learning English? Here also you can see are is at the very beginning, then after subject is there, then after verb form with ing is there, then other words are there. So this is how you can make the interrogative sentence. The same way, let us come to the negative sentence. Here also, while making negative, what you have to do, you have to put not, okay, along with am is are. It means am not, is not, and are not. Let us have some example. I am not learning Gujarati. Okay, so am plus not, that is your negative. In the same way, you are not teaching Gujarati now. Okay, are plus not, aren't also you can write. Okay, so this is your negative sentence. So this is our topic, the tense, and particularly continuous, present continuous tense. The worksheet has been given in the PDF format, so do solve the worksheet and keep in mind all the structures. Make a good notebook so that we can continue with our English in our daily classes. Have a good day. Bye.